Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's video, we have come to the Hilton Garden Inn in Dayton, Beavercreek, Ohio. And we're just going to give a short room tour and check it out. Alright, so have a little closet area here. Oh, got these endless drawers. Top drawer, there's a menu for the grill, the restaurant that is here in the hotel. Take a look at the bathroom next. Very bright lights, which is nice. Towels are a little thicker than towels some of the other places I've been to. Toilet is fresh and clean, as is the bathtub. Gotta say, this is probably the cleanest bathtub I've seen in a while in my travels. Alright, go in. Of course, the microwave, ice bucket, the coffee maker, mini fridge. There's nothing left in the mini fridge. That is good. Got a TV cabinet illustrating these drawers were already open when I came in, so nothing to hide here. I'll close this for now. So they've been cleaned. Drawers have, that's nice. Guess we got the bed, some prints on the wall. Sheets appear pretty clean. Don't see any sign of bed bugs or anything. Little reading lamp. Oh, the bulb in this reading lamp appears to be out. Got a nice sofa right there, a little sofa with an end table, footstool. A desk. But the creme de la creme of this room is that it has a jacuzzi. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Its own set of towels. Here's the view outside the window. Here's a look up and down the hallway of where the floor of my room is located at, looks like. Here's the fitness center here in the hotel. Now they do have a pool here. Unfortunately, at the time of my stay, the pool was under construction and was closed. This is the business center area. Here is the area where the conference rooms in the hotel are located. There is a restaurant here. You can see the hours it is open. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike this video, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching. And until next time, that's a wrap.